week gonna be the most difficult week for abathandi benimba. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi Soapy Stories and namhlanje sikhuluma ngenimba. Niyazi guys uma ngabe kuyi weekend sesin update ukuthi yini engasuyilindele emidlalweni ke oyithanda kakhulu la kumabona kude wakho. So guys, leli viki eliqalayo ngiyakhumbula ukuthi ke uAzande was about to drop a bomb like kwi-family after he had umalume wakhe exolisa to the picture ngokuthi ke wabulala ke umama weingane zakhe, umama kaSigqibo kanye ke no sisi wakhe. So guys, ayichithi ke isikhathi bakithi inimba ayilindi 5 years. Abanye bathi ke oskim sam no bani bacanga ukuthi lena i-AI awuchithi isikhathi. So the truth will be revealed kuleli viki. uAzande will finally tell the whole family ukuthi yena kafani ke naye umalume wakhe ukuthi wabulala ke unkosikazi wakhe. What we don't know guys ukuthi what was the reason behind ukuthi ambulale, kwakwenze njani. But when I try to read the thesis moqhubeka kuyavela ukuthi kunesifo ke esasiphethe ke umama ke kaNompendulo. So uNompendulo is very scared ukuthi lento eyiphethe uma wakhe ingase ke imphathe futhi. Guys, it's gonna be difficult kakhulu kuleli viki and uzoleka ustakile ngampela guys, because manje it looks as if she knew ukuthi kwenzekeni and she didn't tell the husband uSigqibo. Asazi noma ke uzomxolela yini yena. And ke guys, Sigqibo uzoconfront ubaba wakhe amtshela ukuthi he will never forgive him for what he did to umama wabo. Asazi guys ukuthi ke izogcina ilungile yini lento. Lapha ke ekhusela kunomsebenzi ke omusha ufikile uBantu Bethe guys, siyamazi ke lapha ya kwi-generation the legacy indodakazi ke ka-Ayanda. So guys, uzoshukumisa laphana ke kwinimba uzodlala ke indawo kaPortia. Uzoba uPortia, I think she is replacing umawethu. And abantu guys ndaweni namaqobo ngakhona nini ngiyabaza abanye bethi nje they are just praying ukuthi ke izondo technology ngabe yini ingawi, because umawethu is there. So guys, kuba sengathi niyamthanda kakhulu ke umawethu. So ufikile ke uBantu uzoshukumisa ke laphana ke kwikhusela tech. Kusho ukuthi ke umawethu yena noZondo kufanele bakhuphule ke amasokisi ngoba competition it's very high. On the other side guys, kunenkinga ke lapha yana kaYanga and abazali bakhe ke bayalwa and abafuna ukuthola a common ground, because now they can't be fighting in the situation. They need to be a unity between them so that they will be able to discipline uYanga. So i-challenge ke khona ukuthi uMabandla ufuna ukumdisciplina uThumeka kafuni. Yabona nje isiphithiphithi guys esi-serious. So yeah guys, that's what you can expect kuleli viki ke elizoqala kwinimba. Ama-secret ke aphumele ke ngaphandle, asazi ke impilo izoba njani ke after that. That brings us to the end of this video. Leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.